Hello guys, welcome to today's training with me. In today's training I will be showing you a wonderful script. Just look at this particular script now. Okay, this is a one-time payment script. Once you get it, you don't need to verify anything. It was developed fully well and it functions perfectly well. So when you look at this script now, you see that the front end is very rich. Okay, look at it now. We have the schema here, which is the investment plan, and then look at it here again, and even ranking, how it works. All the whole pages works perfectly well, and you can edit them all from the admin URL. From the admin dashboard you can edit all of this. So let's quickly register an account. Let me show you how this works. So let's click on register. Let's put in, let's use this email, username, so we click on OK, agree, and click on create account. Alright, like I said earlier, this is a wonderful script. This is a wonderful script indeed. Okay, so this script now, it performs, it's the RIO, that is the return of investment, functions both manually and automatic. Okay, like once you get this script, you don't need to update anything. You use it for a lifetime. Okay, there is nothing like putting in a code. So let me quickly show you how this script functions. So look at it here now. Let's start with the dashboard. From here now you can make a deposit and you can invest. Okay, so look at the schemas here, which is this all schemas is the investment plan. Okay, these are the investment plan which we have there in the front page. So this is it here now. People can invest to any of these plans, and then look at transactions. All transaction, no transaction has been made. Then add money. You can add money, you can send money to someone, to another person who is also on this particular platform. Like we can send money. Once you click on send money now, it will tell you to put the person's email, then the amount, and then put a note. You send it. Once the person is registered under this platform, the person is going to receive it on his or her own dashboard. Okay, so we also move back. You can withdraw. You can withdraw from here. Just put in your withdrawal account and every other thing, and submit it. So here is this referral. You can always get money once you refer people. So let's quickly go. Let us deposit using this. Let's deposit using this script. So let's quickly come here. Let's select. From here now, you select the ones you want. If you don't want the whole of this thing, you can always remove it and add the one you want from your admin dashboard. So let's put in manual. Let's put in 500. Then the account, and let us upload the screenshots of the transaction. Okay, let's just put in anything. Let's put in this. So we submit it. Alright, it has been submitted. Did you see it now? $500 deposit pending. The amount has been pending, added into your account. So we will quickly go over to the admin URL and then confirm this payment. Okay, let's quickly go there and confirm this payment. So all I need to do is, the admin URL is very easy. All you need to do is just put admin here and click it. This script has been developed so that you can easily use it. Okay, so this is the admin URL here. Here is the admin URL. So let's quickly go over to the transaction we made right now. Deposits, pending manual deposits. Look at it here. So let's open it and see. Okay, we can approve it. Approve. And boom. So let us check our email to see if we've gotten any email. Look at it now. Web hype broker. So let's open it and see. Did you see it? Manual deposit request. Manual deposit request. So here now they said it has been approved. This one was pending. So this was the time we made the first request. Then here is when it has, the admin approved it. So this email, this script sends email to each, to your email address anytime you perform any transaction or anything at all using this script. So let's quickly come over here now and invest. Let's, all right, have you seen it here? So let us quickly invest. So let us invest using this real estate. Yeah, so let us invest now. Alright, so the investment is successful. So just look at it here. Like we said earlier, this script, the payment details, the payment or the return of investment functions both automatically and manually. Okay, so this script now, we are supposed to, okay, in every term, return of period. Okay, let's say in 1 hour time we are going to check back to see if this has added anything. Okay, so let us quickly go over now to the admin dashboard and tell you how to set up this. Okay, so here now is the admin dashboard. From here now, customers, you can always see all customers, then the active ones or the disabled ones, and you can send message to everyone or one person per time. Once you click on this all customers, from here now you can send message. Look at it, send message to one person, and you can equally edit it. So look at the editing here. You can change anything, including the password, everything, and you can disable the person's account. Look at it here. Account, you can disable this account or leave it to be active, and you can equally log in as the user. Okay, once you click here now, you will log in from the admin URL as the user of this particular account. So look at it now, we've logged in as the user. So let's go back. So once you come here now, from here you can view all accounts that is disabled, and from here you can view all account that is active, and from here you can send message to all the users under this platform, under this script. So this one is KYC management. You can reject KYC, you can view pending KYC and every other thing. So manage roles, like you are an admin and you want to have other admins. So for you now to add other admins, you need to give them roles. You don't want them to be able to view everything that has to do with this admin, admin dashboard. There are some particular things, like you want them to be able to approve payment, you want them to be able to credit manually or to pay out, something of that nature. You can always share it amongst them, and that is only what they will see whenever they log into this admin dashboard. So that is that. Once we come over here now, this one now is the schema. So once you click here, so this is where the hours are being set. Okay, so we'll click on manage schemas. So from here now we can create as many investment plan as we wish. So from here now, let's log out. Let me log out this user. Alright, so this schemas now, anything you edit here right now will affect this particular place. Okay, anything you edit here will automatically appear here. If you add any other one, it will equally appear here. So that is what this is all about. You put in your investment plans here. So this one now is the transactions. Okay, I am logged out. So this one now is the transactions, all the transaction made in this site. You can always view it from here. Then the client investment that is running. Okay, you can always view it here. You can use this script for both. Estate management, oil and gas, crypto investment websites, and in fact it's a general script. Okay, so you can always use it. All you need to do is to just edit the investment plan to suit the particular one you want to use it for. Then this one is the user profit. If you click here, you will see the user profit. So let's quickly go down to page setting. So from here now you can set the pages. Okay, this is the background picture. So once I click on this background picture, I can be able to change this background. So let's go to pages now. So come over here now, you see these pages. This is home page, schema, ranking, and every other thing. So here they are right now. So this is schema. Once you click here, come here now. So anything you edit here right now, including the downside, all of them are contained here. So you can always edit them here and do what? Save them. Like this now, all schemas. Let's look at it here right now. Look at it. So if we edit it, if we change anything here and save it, it will do what? It will appear here. So just like that, choose the page you want to edit and you do what? Change the things you want to change from there. So the next one now is the site setting. So you put in your logo here, just click here, click on it, Alright, so once you click on it, all you need to do is just select your logo. Okay, so but I'm going to be using this logo right now since we are not designing yet, so I will leave this logo. All you need to do is just click here and you change your logo, change your site favicon, this thing right here, you can change it to your own, and then your site name, the currency, any currency you feel like, even Nigerian naira is here, any currency, any country currency at all, you can always put it there, but let me leave it on US dollar. So the site name, you put in your site name here, your site email, you put it here, put your support email here, and you do what? You save changes. You can always come here and set your sending limit and charges and every other thing here. So you also go over now to email setting. So we created this email. So your STP, you just get your STP from your host. Put it here. This STP details, just get it from your host, put it here, and you do what? You save changes and you start receiving emails automatically from this particular site. And you can equally send emails from this particular site once you put in your STP host details here. Then this one is the plugin settings. So from here now, this is the chat. All you need to do is what? Create an account with Tawk Chat and then supply the details. Okay, supply the details here. Put in the property ID, the widget ID, and then save changes, and you will see it will appear down here in the site, so people can chat you up from the site. So what again am I supposed to show you? Okay, the email, the language setting, you can always add as much as you like. All you need to do is what? To get the language code, like English now is EN. Get all these things, set it, and you do what? You save changes. You can always add it from here. This is the language name and then the code, then you save changes. So the next thing now is the email template. So this is the email template. You can always edit it. Look at the edit button here. So this is the edit button. You can always edit these things here. So edit this sample email, all these things, put in. You edit this. Do not touch this, please. Just edit this right up. You can always edit this right up and this right up here. Once you send email, you can see where they are and you do what? You edit it and put what you want to be there. So that is for the email templates. There are many email templates here. So everything that this site performs regarding the email is here, so you can always run them through. So the next thing now is so if you watch this now, you see that this script is very, very powerful. Okay, this script is very, very powerful. So you can always set. This is the automatic gateways, your manual gateways, then pending manual deposits and deposit history. This one is also your pending withdrawal method and withdrawal history. So this withdrawal method, you just click here and then put in your withdrawal methods here. You can always add. All you need to do is what? Put in the pick the logo. Let's say you want to use bank transfer. Okay, all you need to do is just get a bank transfer logo, put here, and then put in your currency and set it up. You click on save changes. Then deposit. So this is the automatic gateway. If you want to configure your automatic gateway, look at it here. We have PayPal already. We have many automatic payment gateways here, even Flutterwave. All you need to do is what? Click on it, edit the Flutterwave, edit it. This is Flutterwave. You just need to edit it. Put in your public key, your secret key, your encryption key. You get all these things from your site, from the Flutterwave account, and then you save changes. So coming over to manual gateways, look at the manual gateway here. So you can always set up your manual gateway. You can add as many as you want. Just the same way you did while setting up the withdrawal manual method. So you can also do that right here. Just put in your logo, put the names, the currency symbol, then you give in a write-up here. You can always look at the ones that we have done and you do what? Follow it up. Okay, you can always come over to this site, check the ones we've done, and you can always set yours up. And then so that is all for now. I'm going to be showing you how you can set this script up. Okay, how you can set it up to start running just the same way this is running. Okay, while we wait for 1 hour time for our payments, for our RIO to drop. So let me quickly show you how to set up this wonderful script. Okay, so for you to be able to get this script running, one thing first is that you need a domain name and hosting. I've always recommended Namecheap, Namesilo, and the rest. There are many companies where you can get your domain name and hosting. So all you need to do is what? Get your domain name and hosting. Come here, search for the availability of the name, get the domain name and hosting, and you do what? You set up this script and it will start running. So I will quickly show you how to set up this script using my own domain name and hosting. So here it is. I'll just log in. They will be the one to give you the username and the password. So all you need to do first is come over here, come to File Manager. Alright, if you got this domain name newly, you're not going to see all this. Okay, the only thing you will be needing here is this public_HTML. I've posted many websites on this domain name and hosting. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to add this to a folder. I'm going to create a folder and name it test hype. Okay, so I'm going to host this site on this particular folder that I've just created. Look at it here now. So I will upload. Alright, you click on select file. Alright, so we are going to locate where our script is. So let me quickly open this. Okay, our script should be here. So I will be sending you this. I will be sending you all this. All you need to do is what? Just follow the step-by-step guide I am using to set up yours. So I'll just click on it. Look at the script here. Alright, so once it has counted up to 100 and changed its color to green, all you need to do is what? Click on go back. Alright, so we are going to extract this file. Just come here, extract file. Alright, so you close here. Reload. Alright, so I'm going to delete this file right now. I'll click on delete, and then open this. Select or move it to the main folder. So if yours is in the public_HTML, we are going to remove all this. Okay, but mine is under this test hype, so I'm going to remove this first one and then move the rest to the main folder. So look at it here. Alright, so this is the main folder here. So let's go back now and create a database for this. So just come over here to your database wizard, click on database wizard. Come here, create a database. So let's say then choose a database username. I will just say DB, and then generate a password. I'll copy, open my notepad because I will be needing this, so I'll just put it in my notepad. And then click on I have copied, then use password, then create user. Alright, so I will just come over here. I'll come over here and copy this. Copy that information out, paste it here. Then go back and click on all privileges. Make sure you click on all privileges. Then I'll click next step. Alright, so let's return home. Right now we are going to upload the database So we have created the database. It is now for us to upload the database so we can connect it to this particular script. So I'll just click on my PHP admin. So look at the database that we created. I'll just open this. So I'll click on import. So click on choose file. Alright, so we have two databases here, the first one and the second one. Okay, so this first one, a lot of things has been hosted on this first one. So but if you need a fresh database, you can always use this. Okay, you can always use this particular database. So but I'll be using this. Let me use this. Okay, just use the one I used, the one that has clients. So come here and click on go. Alright, so our database has imported successfully. You can always, if you look at the database here, it has imported successfully. So what we need to do now, we need to go over to this particular script, open this env folder. Okay, this particular folder, open it, edit it. I'm going to edit that folder. Alright, so all we need to do is what? We copy this password, copy, put in the password here, come here, copy the username. Make sure you don't copy space. Look at the username here. So we'll copy the database user, copy, put the database user here, paste. So we change this place now to our site name. here, paste, slash, let's copy this also, and this is our site name. Make sure you don't make mistake while editing this particular place. Then we change this name as well. Change this name to Kizzy World, and then make the savings. Alright, so we are going to check this particular site to see if it will load. But first, there is something you need to do. Make sure that your PHP version is 8.1, because the PHP version of this particular site is 8.1. So let us check that to be sure that our PHP version is 8.1. So let's look for PHP. Okay, PHP PHP manager. So open this. Let's check if it is 8.1. Alright, so if you check now, this site is not 8.1. So all I need to do is what? Click here, change it to 8.1. 8.1 and apply changes. So let's visit this particular site now. Alright, so we have successfully set up this particular script. Can you see it? Very wonderful, very wonderful. All you need to do is what? Follow the steps I have shown you, and you'll be able to do what? To edit it. Okay, so let me quickly move over to the admin dashboard right now, so I can easily just put in admin. Okay. Just put in admin and it will open the admin dashboard. So all you need to do is just log in. I'm going to give you the admin URL and password. So we are done with this particular script. You see that the setup is quite easy. All you need to do is what? Supply the information here, customize it the way you want, edit, and everything is set. So for you to get access to this particular script, like as I said earlier, it is a one-time payment. Once you buy it now, you are not buying it again. Okay, once you make payment right now, there is nothing like code to verify it or do this one. So it is once you buy it now, you use it for a lifetime, and both and the RIO is, like as I said earlier, the return of investment is both automatic and manual. So we are going to check out our investment to see if it has returned. So look at it now, it is still counting, just remaining very few. So we are going to check later once it is 1 hour time. So let's quickly check our investment to see if it has completed. Alright, if you watch this investment now, you see that some has dropped. Okay, it's just 30 minutes from the time we set up this investment, so it's just 30 minutes and we already have $140 as the profits in the profit wallet. So that is to say that this script drops the investment profits automatically, and you can equally do what? Credit the person manually. Just come over to all customers and then come over to this place and do what? Credit the person, fund or subtract. So I'll just credit the person 500 and then click on apply. So if you watch now, you see that this script is a top-notch script. So like I said earlier, if you want to get access to this particular script, it will cost you 40,000 naira only. And then for international persons, people who are not from Nigeria, you can always get this script at 40,000 to US dollar.
40,000 Nigerian nairas equals $86.80.
You can always get this script at $85. Okay, so in the description below I will be dropping the payment link and equally my WhatsApp link. Once you make payment from the payment link, you are going to be redirected to the download page where you download your script and use. Then if you want to chat us up, you can always chat us up through the WhatsApp link I'm going to drop below. Do not fail to subscribe to our channel as we keep dropping nice and engaging video for you. At the end of this video, we are actually forgetting something, so we need to adopt this thing. Okay, for the return of investment to drop automatically, you must set up the cron job. The cron job helps this automatic return of investment to drop just the same way you've been able to set it on the admin dashboard. So I will be showing you how to set up the cron job, and on the file I'm going to send to you, I have attached the cron job link or command anyway to that particular script. So once you come over to your C panel, cool down and look for cron job. Okay, cron job, look at mine here, cron job. Open this, come here, set this to once per minute or once per 5 minutes. Then if you're able to set it on hours, you set once per hour. Okay, but use this once per 5 minutes. Then you add the cron job here. Look at the cron job here. Alright, so I will just copy this, copy, come here and paste it. So look at what I'm going to edit, and I'm going to edit this place. I'll change it to the URL of our website. Look at our website URL here. I will copy, replace, put slash here. After this slash, you put in the directory where you installed this particular script. Okay, we installed this particular script somewhere. Let me check. Let me check. Open. Let's check where we installed that particular script. File manager. public_html. So look at where we installed that particular script, test high. So I will quickly copy this. Where is it? Open this, copy this test high. Then go over now to our clone job and add this here. Then before another slash. So look at the clone job command here. Once you do this particular thing, it will start dropping automatically, but you need to create it into 3. So this is the first one. We'll create the second one again. 5 minutes. Come here, copy the second one. Got it here. For referral, copy this, paste it here, copy this, copy, paste. We'll add it, copy the last one, copy, put it here, come here, pay 5 minutes, change this, paste. So with this now, our clone job has been set and it will start running automatically. So see you guys in the next video.